Hey y'all, my name is Akira, and I've been working on the file transfer app for Kinode. I'm going to show you a bit of how it works. So my node is running here at Pax Hominibus. This is the front end that allows me to send messages back and forth to it on my machine. We're looking at the file system. This is the real Linux file system here. I've only got one PDF in this folder. It's a copy of The Burning Wheel. It's a good game. You should try it out. Whopping 88 megabytes, you can see. I could upload some more files here if I want, but what I'm actually here to do today is download some books. So I'm going to look at this friend of mine, Gloria and Chelsea's Deo.os. That's the node name. I just put it in this search bar, and it's going to look across the network, and here we have it. This guy's hosting a few different folders of files. He's got some music, some pictures, but what I'm interested in today is the books. He's got a great collection of Jeeves books. I'm going to get, and it looks like William Gibson too. So why don't we go ahead and get Thank You Jeeves. Click Save to Node. This is going to download the file to my node's virtual file system. And there it is. It's not technically a PDF, so I'd like to keep it in its own folder. I'll make a folder here, and we'll call it Books, maybe eBooks. There we go. And now I'm just going to drag that in there. And ba-bam. 2 nice new books. Go ahead and get another one. See it again. The App Store for Kinode actually uses this under the hood. So when you download a file or when you download an app, you're going to be getting a package basically of the bundled code, and it's going to start running the processes from there. The front end obviously looks pretty glamorous, but this is just one of the many ways that it's easy to code and reason about the primitives on Kinode. I'm just passing messages back and forth between these nodes like, hey, let me download your file. And this node is going to say, oh, do you have permission? Well, if I don't want to give permission for people to download the Burning Wheel, for example, because that's a copyrighted PDF that you have to pay for, I can forbid Gloria from accessing it. Here we go. So permissions for this file are forbidden. Now, this is only going to prevent Gloria from getting it. It's not going to prevent anybody else. So why don't instead I whitelist somebody? Maybe my good friend Doria is working with me in a role-playing campaign, and so he can access it as a borrow. Now, only Doria is allowed to access it, and all other nodes are forbidden by default. So using these combination of privileges, you can create some pretty awesome schema of access for your files. If I only had a few exabytes of storage, I could mirror the entirety of libgen. Anyway, that's Kinode files. Thanks for watching.